When you encounter a patient with a penetrating wound where the neck meets the shoulder, in the armpit, or in the groin, you must pack the wound. Have the patient or a partner hold direct pressure on the wound. Locate a pair of gloves in the PATC kit and quickly put them on both hands. Locate the compressed gauze in your PATC kit. Visualize the wound. You may not easily locate the wound, and you may need to either roll clothing down or cut clothing using the trauma shears. Use a clean cloth or clothing to blot the blood away from the wound. Use the red quick tear notches to open the compressed gauze. Find one end of the gauze roll. Make 2 small loops around your fingers. Make several more loops and form them into a small ball of material between your fingers. Using the pointer finger on your dominant hand, press the ball of gauze deep into the wound against the source of the bleeding. Continue to pack gauze into the wound with the pointer finger of your dominant hand while you use your other hand to unroll and feed gauze. Fill the entire wound cavity and pack to the bone. Pack all the gauze in the wound. If you require additional gauze, use the remaining gauze located in your PATC kit or use additional kits if necessary. If you have extra gauze, place it directly over the wound. After packing is complete, maintain direct pressure on the wound. Secure the packing with an emergency trauma dressing compression bandage. Wait for additional help to arrive.